you're experiencing FPS drops in CS2, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming performance. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings and system. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can significantly enhance performance and stability. Step 2. Lower in-game settings. Access the game settings and reduce the graphics quality. Low settings such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing can help increase FPS. Experiment with different settings to find a balance between visual quality and performance. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and terminate any programs that are not needed while playing CS2. Step 4. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting ensures that your CPU and GPU run at their maximum potential, which can help reduce FPS drops during gameplay. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're still experiencing issues, verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher Steam, for example. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing CS2. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.